When you put money down on a project, you expect to see it through. But what happens when life suddenly changes?
Are you at all protected? Pam Elliott of 2 News Investigates takes a letter about a tragic situation and turns it into a lesson on contracts for everyone.
All of this from this all in here.
Beatrice Etienne was so pleased with her updated shower that she talked her partner of 29 years into having work done on his bathroom. She was worried about him falling.
He was having some issues getting in and out of the bathtub and definite health issues, and that's why we decided to go ahead and remodel that bathroom.
But neither Beatrice Etienne nor Vate Jackson knew just how serious his health issues were. In the summer of 2011, Jackson was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. Days later, he died. 2 months before that, Jackson signed this contract with Bathfitter in Dayton. He paid a $2,000 deposit. The work was never done. Etienne told 2 News Investigates her son called the salesman from Bathfitter the day after Jackson died to cancel the job. The call is noted on the contract. Etienne's attorney, David Haffey, followed up with this letter nearly a year later, telling the salesman, quote, Mr. Jackson's estate is entitled to full repayment of such amount, that being $2,000. At the time of the letter, Etienne had been named the executrix of the estate, giving her the authority to attempt to take back the original deposit. But initially, there was no refund on the way.
I was ready to give up, and I could feel his presence saying, don't you dare.
The work was to be done here, where Vate Jackson was living. Initially, Bathfitter said that it would go ahead and do the job at the original price, and that would make this more attractive for sale. But Beatrice Etienne wasn't interested.
To add to it, when we've already put a new roof on, new aluminum siding, the house, a new air conditioner, the house is ready for move-in.
At the end of November, Etienne contacted us for help and copied the Better Business Bureau. I called Bathfitter in December and heard back from the president, Jason Hott. He said he was not aware of the letter sent in June to his salesman, but he would review Jackson's order. As a result, he sent this letter to Etienne and copied us. Hott offered her a return check for $397.50 due to the unique circumstance surrounding this order. The $1,600 the company planned to keep were for the actual hard costs, like materials specific to the job. The BBB was also copied on this letter.
This is kind of a unique situation.
BBB President and CEO John North was aware of the situation, but at the time of the interview, Etienne had not yet filed a formal complaint with the BBB. She ended up doing so.
It's a great day here at Bathfitter. My name is Tricia. How may I help you?
Bathfitter is a BBB accredited business with an A+ rating with only one complaint before Etienne's in 3 years.
Certainly her having power of attorney and the executrix of the estate helps her situation to be able to work with the company, with the Better Business Bureau, with your organization to try and get some sort of resolution. But ultimately, it comes back to that contract.
And that's what it does come back to, the contract. Ohio law allows you 3 business days to cancel a sale made in your home. Harry Gerla is a contract law professor.
There was a death by the person who signed the contract. Does that not make the contract null and void?
No, in fact, it is the exceptional case where a death relieves a party of a contractual obligation.
A day before the story was to air, Hott agreed to an interview and said he'd be sending Etienne a full refund of $2,000. And that's not all.
We're going to draft an internal company policy that defines that when there's a death prior to an installation of our products, that certainly as the president I'm notified, and that when the client has expressed financial hardship and this member is living in that household, that we're going to refund deposits. And we feel that could be industry leading and is a good decision for Bathfitter here locally.
So why change policy now? Did it have anything to do with our questioning of this case?
I think that anytime you have an opportunity to learn from situations or learn specific unique situations, that new policy can develop.
Jason Hott is the president of Bathfitter in 3 states. This new policy impacts his operations, but he's already suggested it to others who have Bathfitter locations throughout North America.
Pam, great to see the company step up like that. But let's say a business is not willing to consider a change in contract due to someone's death. Anything a consumer can do to protect themselves at that point?
Well, get in front of it, Mark. Be proactive. Get to know Ohio consumer protection laws. For instance, in our state, if a business accepts money from a consumer for goods and services and delivers nothing in 8 weeks, you could be entitled to a full refund. Check out web links on our website, WDTN.com. Also, you can ask for a special clause that addresses death and other tragic events that may occur. Use a credit card because that gives you a little more muscle if you have to dispute the contract, more so than paying cash or check. And you can, if you have to, take a contract dispute to small claims court. And the BBB offers mediation and arbitration for a fee if you need help to resolve a dispute. However, Mark and Katie, it is free to file a complaint with the BBB.
So options are out there.
Yes, be smart, be proactive, read those laws. They may help you in the long run.
All right, good stuff. Thank you, Pam.
Thank you.